Hello, teacher.
Hello. I think you're from school because you were still using you were still wearing your uniform, your school uniform, Vivian. I mean, what did I say, Vivian? My previous student before you, honey, is Vivian. Her name is Vivian. I forgot it. It's not Vivian anymore.
Yes,
Okay. Anyway, my dear Cookie, how's your day?
I have a
How's
normal
your
day.
whole day? You had a very normal day. Why is it? Why did you have a very normal day, my dear? Can you tell
Because
teacher? Can you share it to teacher why?
because I
Tell me
uh,
the reason.
because I always learn in school.
Huh?
Because I always learn at school.
Ah, because you always get to learn to school. So that means you really love going to school every day, honey.
No,
Yeah?
no.
No, why not? Why don't you like going to school every day?
Mm,
Because?
because, because it's very boring.
It's very boring.
Yes,
Yes, it is very boring. Again, one more time. It's very boring.
it's very boring.
Very good. That is it, honey. So, anyway, my dear, yeah, have you eaten your dinner already?
Not
Not
yet.
yet. Not yet. I see. Okay, are you hungry now? But I think you're not because you're eating something. What are you eating, my dear? What is that?
Eat cake,
Uh-huh.
cake.
You're eating cake? Oh, wow, that's a very, very yummy, honey. Wait for a while, my dear. I will just close my window, okay?
Yes.
But you can still hear me. Actually, you can still hear me. Okay, let me close. Honey, you know what, honey? I only love eating cake whenever it is. You know what? I actually just eat cake, honey. I only love eating cake whenever it's like a special occasion, like a birthday. Yeah, when a birthday, I love eating, honey.
Yeah.
I love eating a cake when it's birthday. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
But if it's not a birthday, I don't feel like eating a cake, honey. I don't know why. Yeah. Is it like
Mm,
a strawberry? Is it a chocolate cake, honey? Are you eating chocolate cake?
no, it like rice cake.
A rice cake. Wow, that's nice. I want to eat that. Okay, anyway, my dear, teacher is now going to share the screen, okay? We are
Yes.
just going to share the screen now, and we're going to continue with our lesson. Tang taradang. Tang taradang dang dang. Can you see teacher's screen now?
Yes.
Okay, that is great to hear. Okay, so help me remember, honey, which where did we end? Where did we stop? I think we stopped in sheep or scarecrow. Scarecrow. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. We stopped in the scarecrow, honey. Okay, so we have the scarecrow, my dear. We're done with the scarecrow. What is a scarecrow again, honey? What is a scarecrow again? A scarecrow is.
The scarecrow is like it like it
Mhm,
protect it
mhm,
protects corn mm, corn and it like when the bird saw the
mhm.
insect saw it they very scared.
Very good. Yes, that is correct, honey. Have you seen it in real life? Have you seen something like
No.
this in real life? No, you've never.
No.
I see. Okay. Okay, let's have the next one, honey. The next one to the scarecrow is what is it, my dear?
The sheep.
It's the sheep. Very good. Okay. So we have the sheep, honey. So for the sheep, honey, what is a sheep? What is a sheep? A sheep
The
is.
the sheep is the sheep.
Can you describe the sheep, honey? Can you describe what a sheep looks like? What a sheep is?
The sheep is have a color white
Mm-hmm.
and black.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it have a big feather, big feather.
Mm. It has fur, not feather, honey. Fur.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fur.
we call it fur. Yeah, they have fur. A feather, honey, are for the animals that can fly. Yeah.
Right.
Yes, they have thick fur. Thick. Can you say it again one more time, honey? Thick fur.
Big fur.
Yes, they have thick fur. Okay, have you seen a sheep in real life? Okay.
Yes.
You've seen them, really? Do they look
Yeah.
cute? Do they look
No.
nice?
No.
I haven't seen. Not, I haven't seen a sheep in real life, Cookie. Yeah, I've never really seen one before.
Yeah.
But they don't look cute. But in the pictures, they look cute.
Mm, I think they don't look cute.
They really look white, honey? Are they really white?
Yes.
Ah, okay, I see. All right, let's have the next one, honey. Next to the where's my screen? Okay, next to the sheep, honey, we have what is it? It is
It's sickle.
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 Okay, very good. Sickle, honey, what is a sickle? What is a sickle? Take a look at the picture and what is a sickle?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, honey. A sickle. Actually, honey, a sickle is like a farming tool. The farmers use this kind
Uh,
of thing. It is like a curved blade, honey, used for cutting the grass. They use this to cut the grass, honey, to cut the crops, to cut the rice, to cut the corn. Okay, that's a sickle. Here, look, like chung, 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 chung. Yeah. So this is like the grass, train, 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 and you are this. You are the farmer. Train, 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 train. So you use the sickle. You use the sickle. Oh, I don't know how to draw it, but this is yeah. You use the sickle, honey, to remove these grasses. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now let's have the next one, honey. The next two, the sickle is the
There's sunflower.
very good. We have the sunflowers. Okay. As for the sunflowers, honey, what are they? What are sunflowers?
The sunflower is the sunflower.
Okay. If you don't know how to explain it, then you have to describe it. Describe it in your own word. How do you describe this? How do you describe the sunflower? How does it look like?
It have yellow and brown. And
Mm-hmm.
when have a sun, they
Mm-hmm.
always they always. Can I search this for? I don't know.
You want to skip this?
No, I don't. I want to search this for.
You want to you search it? Okay, sure.
Yes. Mm, uh, mm, it it so sturdy hair stems
Mm-hmm.
or like and the leaf is large, hard
Uh-huh.
space leaf, and the flower bright yellow ray like a petal.
Yes.
Dark center with a sparrow painting. The sparrow often follow the Fibonacci numbers.
Okay, that is it, honey. Thank you so much, my dear. Now, let's move forward to the next one. We have the next one, honey. What is it? Can you read it, honey?
The till the soil.
Till the soil. What is
Till
till the
the
soil, honey?
soil. Till
It
the
is.
is like the farmer. Is like the farmer
Mm-hmm.
use the stick
Mm-hmm.
and light. uh,
Okay, honey. Till the soil, honey, it's just like preparing the ground. Okay, the farmer prepares the ground, honey, because he is now going to plant. So of course he cannot directly plant, honey. He needs to prepare the soil first. He needs to use these tools to prepare the soil. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Next to till the toil, honey, we have the what is that? That is also a farming machine, honey. Farming.
Tractor.
Yeah.
Tractor.
Tractor. What is a tractor, honey? What do you think is a tractor?
A tractor is like a car to do something in a farm.
Yes. Well, that's correct. A tractor, honey, is like it's like it's a vehicle, honey. It's like a motorcycle, but it's really strong. And this
Mm.
kind of thing, honey, it pulls or they carry the loads in the fields, honey. Let me show you what a tractor looks like.
Yes.
Tractor. Track. Okay, this. This is how a tractor looks like, honey. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Have you seen this?
No.
Have you seen this one before? Oh, you haven't. Okay. Okay. Next to the tractor, honey, we have the
We have the village.
village. What is a village, my dear?
The
What do you think
village.
is a village? Mhm.
The village is like it belongs in the city
Mhm.
and it in the countryside and in it have a lot of house and have a lot of people.
Yes, very good, honey. They have a lot of animals here.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you think it's nice to live in a village, honey?
And
Why do you think it's good to live here? Why do you think
the
it's good to live in this kind of place?
picture
Yeah.
is off because it also off the air. The air in the village is good.
Mhm.
Is better than the air in the city.
Mm, okay, it's better than the air in the city. Yeah. What's
Yes.
what honey? What's wrong with the air in the city?
because it have a lot of transport station,
Mhm.
so the transport station told like they give the weather a lot of problem.
Yes, it gives a lot of pollution.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, pollution. Pollution. Or
Sự ô nhiễm.
sự ô
Yeah.
nhiễm. Right? Yes. Yeah. Okay, we have the next one. You asked me this one last time. Do you remember how to?
Yes.
How do you read that again? That one is
Wheat.
wheat. Very good. What is a wheat, Tony? What is a wheat?
The wheat is like it first the rice is made of this.
Yes. But honey, a wheat is specifically made for to become a flour. A flour
Yeah.
for bread, honey, for bread and other food.
Yeah.
Yes. The flour, you know what, honey? You eat bread, right? You eat bread?
Yes.
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 Bread is made of flour. Flour. So flour is made from the wheat. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have the next one, honey. The next one is, what is that?
The wheelbarrow.
Yes, wheelbarrow. What is it, honey? What do you think is it? This red
It,
thing. This is the red this is the wheelbarrow, honey. What is that? What is that?
it's like the tissue the it
Mm,
we push it and it put a lot of we want
mm.
to move it we put a lot of and we push it.
Yes, very good, honey. It is a small cart, right?
Yes.
Cookie, it is a small cart with two handles, honey, and this is used for carrying what? Carrying?
Uh, Carrying fruit carry
Yes. Or
away.
carrying vegetables
Yes.
or crops. Okay, now we are now in the last word, my dear. The last word is, what is that?
The last word is
Wind,
windmill.
wind.
Windmill.
Yes,
Wind.
windmill. What is a windmill, honey?
Hmm. In the picture, I when I
Mhm.
saw it, I, I, I think it's a scary house, but it's not.
Yes, it looks really like a scary house, honey, right? In the picture, it looks very creepy. But honey, a windmill, my dear, is a very tall building or machine, honey, with large blades like electric fan. Yeah, you know what
Yeah,
an electric fan is, right? Okay,
yeah,
and it turns the wind, honey. It turns in the wind, honey. They used to grain or make electricity, honey, using this one. So let me show you what um a windmill looks like. We have a lot of windmills here.
yeah.
The Philippines, a windmill in Philippines.
In Philippines.
Yes, the Philippines, honey, here.
And I saw that. I saw that.
Yeah. Yes, you've seen this one in your country too? Windmills in
Yes.
Vietnam. Because this is very helpful. Yes, in Vietnam. In Dam Nai. In Dam Nai, you have, yes. In Tan Thuan, you have, and Tai Toa. Yeah, you have. In Lagan, you have a lot.
Yeah.
In Long Lin, Ninh Thuan. Oh, you have a lot of windmills in Vietnam.
Yes.
Yes.
Two beans. Two beans.
Tubin? Who's Tubin, honey?
Yes. Two bean. Like two bean air.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now let's read all of the words you have learned last time, honey. Let's have the first one. Let's just read it, my dear. The first one is
the school, telebox, crossroad, park, roundabout, museum, bus stop, street light, factory, garage,
Garage.
garage,
Yes.
hotel, traffic light, pedestrian crossing, park, bank, hospital, railway, airport, stadium, house,
Honey,
bank,
wait for a while. My dear, what is this
uh,
again? Can you read this one again,
ra-
please?
railway station,
Very good. Okay, let's have the inside in the countryside dictionary.
bank,
Barn,
barn, content,
cottage,
content, go cycling, farmer, go on a picnic, harvester, hay, custard, pig, screen, ride a
swine,
horse, swine, ride a horse, a scarecrow, sheep, stick,
sickle.
stickle,
Mhm.
sunflower, till the soil, tractor, village, wheat,
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 wheat, wheelbarrow, windmill,
windmill.
windmill,
Yes,
windmill,
windmill. Okay,
windmill.
so yeah. Wait, honey. Okay, let's have this one, my dear. In the city Pictionary, which one is your most favorite word here? Which one is your most favorite place in the city Pictionary?
Yes, I like house.
You like the
Yeah.
house. Yay. How about in the countryside? Which or what is your favorite Pictionary there? I mean, word there.
Big, big,
The what,
big.
honey? The pig. Pig.
Yes, yes.
Ah, the pig or the swine because you like it, right? You like the pig and the swine? Okay. Great. Thank you. Me, for the city Pictionary, I think I'd choose the house too, honey. I'd choose the house. And for the countryside Pictionary, honey, I'd choose the village. Yes, I
Yes.
choose. Okay. Or maybe the cottage too, honey. I'm also going to choose the cottage too. Yeah. All right. Now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Let's have this question right here. How long have you been living there, honey? Okay, we have here the question. We have here the question, my dear, yeah, but we're going to use the word for and the since. So this is how this explains when are we going to use the word for, honey, and when are we going to use the word since. Let's start with the for, honey. For we're going to have
For period of time. For
period
blessed
of time.
for blessed period of time. For
Yes.
blessed number. Blessed time word.
Very good, honey. This explains, and we are going to use the word for, honey. If we are stating the minute, the weeks, the days, honey, the months or the years, the century, something like that. We have here the example. We
have been talking for 30 minutes.
Yes. How long have they been talking, honey? How long?
They've been talking for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And we use for it refers the
Minute.
minutes. Very good. Next, we also have
It's rain for a week.
Yes, it's rain for a week. What does it mean?
It means
Refers to?
it prefer to rain for 1 week.
A week. Yes. Okay, let's have this one. Let's just directly read it, honey. We have the third one.
I trained for 2 months.
2 months. Next, he's been off.
He's been off work for a while.
Very good. He's been off work for a while. Okay, now we also have here the word since, honey. For the word since, we are now going to have the since plus
Since plus starting point.
next.
Since plus a time or a date.
Very good. For example, we have here
6 o'clock. A second June. 2nd in June.
2nd June.
2nd in June. Thursday, March 1995. 1991.
We also have.
I was young.
And then.
The beginning of time.
Very good. The beginning of time. Now let's have the examples, honey. We have here the examples, my dear. Please read this one.
We have been waiting here since 2 o'clock.
Very good. We have been waiting here since 2 o'clock. Next one.
He is been living in Paris since 2008.
2008.
2008.
Yes. 3.
He has grown since I last saw him.
Very good.
Sarah is been sick since Friday.
Yes, honey. Honey, for the word since, honey, it means we're going to use this. We're going to refer when we had started a thing or an activity, okay? Yeah, so like for example, I have been teaching cookie since May. Hold on, wait. I'm going to check, honey. I already forgot the month. Hold on. Let me check. Cookie. Baunian. We started July. Yeah. I have been teaching July. Why did I say I have been teaching July? No, I have been teaching cookie since July 15, 2025 for about July, August, September, October, November, December. For about 5 months already. Yeah. Okay. Let's have now this one, honey. I want you to answer this one, honey. How long have you been living there? You start with since.
I've been living there since let me remember. Yeah, since 20. Oh no, yeah. Yes, since 2020.
Okay. Yes, I have been living here since 2020 for how many years already, honey?
For 6 years.
Okay, for 6 years. Okay, again, how long have you been living there?
I've been living there.
Here.
I've been living here 2020 since.
Again, one time. I'm sorry, honey.
I've been living here since 2020 for 6 years.
Very good, for 6 years. Okay. How long have you been friends? How long have you been friends to your best friend, honey? Okay. We have been friends since.
I've been my best friend since So as in 2022, 2020.
For how many
But
years now, honey?
no, 2020.
2020?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
For 5 years too, for 6 years too.
Yes.
Okay, please read, honey.
I've been my best friend with.
I have been friends with my best friend.
I have been friend with my best friend since 2020 for 6 years.
Yeah, 2020 for 6 years. Now, honey, how long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English for I have been studying English
Since.
since yes,
Remember.
2021.
2021 for
5 years.
5 years. Very good. Again, honey, read it one more time.
I have been studying English since 2021 for 5 years.
Very good. Okay, honey, can I go to the toilet? Let me just pee. I really want to pee, honey.
Yes, of
Wow.
course it does. Bye bye. Teacher.
Okay. Thank you so much, my dear, for waiting for waiting. Okay. Now, let's move forward to the next one, honey. We have here the useful vocabulary, my dear. Hold on. Yes. I'm sorry. I thought I entered the wrong book, honey. Okay. We have here the useful vocabulary, my dear. We have the first one. What's the first one? We have the
Sprawling city, a city that has grown over time and would cover quite a year.
sprawling.
Sprawling, yeah.
Sprawling.
Sprawling.
Yes, that one, honey, is the word sprawling. That means it means, honey, a place that has, it is a small city before, honey, but now after 10 years it grew. It becomes so big. Okay?
Yeah.
That's a sprawling city. A city that keeps getting bigger. Okay? Yes. Okay. The next one, honey, we have
The office block.
very good. We have the office block. It means
A large building that contains office.
very good. A large building that contains offices. Yes. It's a large building. Yeah. In that building, honey, it has many offices. This is office for this one. This is office for blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Okay. Next one is
Inner city, the central part of a city where people live and where conditions are often poor.
Yes, this is the center of the city, honey. A lot of people lives here, and in this place, honey, there are a lot of people that are suffering from from being poor.
Mm.
What did you do to your nose, honey? Next to the inner city, we have the
We have the tourist attractor play interest to tourists.
yes, tourist attraction. Can you say it again one more time?
Attraction
Very good. A tourist attraction is a place of
is a place of interest up to tourists.
that means, honey, it's the nicest place in your place, honey. Yeah. Tourist attraction. What's your tourist attraction there, honey? Do you have a tourist attraction there
I don't
in your
know.
place?
Don't know.
Here.
Địa điểm du lịch.
Yes.
Yes. What is the tourist attraction? Or where is your tourist attraction, honey?
Yes. A tourist attraction in Ho Chi Minh City. No,
Yes.
in the parks it don't have the beach, but now it have is the beach Vũng Tàu.
Ah, you have a beach in Ho Chi Minh, honey? You
Do
have a
you
beach in Ho Chi Minh. Ooh.
sorry
Key, are you still there?
hello.
What happened? I think you were searching, right? I think
Teacher,
you were searching. Okay.
and the past for Denmark City doesn't have the beach. Didn't have the beach.
Oh.
Yes, but now it confirmed to Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu and to Cần Giờ, and now it have a two beach.
Ah, so from the past, honey, you originally didn't have you originally didn't have a beach, but now you have. Yeah?
Yes.
Wow. Well, that's great. Wow. What's the name of the beach, honey? Can I search it?
Yes. Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu. No, I give your name to you.
Okay.
A B A. Yes.
Okay, let me search. Honey, we just have seconds left. Oh no. We just have
Oh no,
seconds left. So teacher's going to say goodbye now. Bye bye, my dear.
my teacher.